My name is David Rose, and I'm the CTO of Home Outside. Home Outside is revolutionizing the landscaping market by using augmented reality to show people how amazing their yard could look if you put in shade trees and natural pollinating bushes and showing it in the context right in front of their house. So I met Julie Moore-Messervy, who's the CEO of the company, who's been a landscape designer, trained at Harvard, and done beautiful, beautiful high-end projects for decades. I met her at MIT, and I was working at Warby Parker at the time, and my team was just building the virtual try-on app for Warby Parker, which has won an award. So it allows you to hold up your phone and see new glasses projected on your face. And I thought, what we could do would be amazing. Like, we could have people just hold up their phones and see the new landscape in front of their house and be like compelled to spend money and invest in that vision. At Home Outside, we have lots of designers, people passionate about sustainability and the climate, and people who really know plants. But what we don't have is a development team, a team that can use Google Street View images and Google Satellite View images and basically create the metaverse out of all of this material. So what we're doing is we're using a 3D game engine called Unity, and we're basically recreating the neighborhood and then dropping in 3D assets and allowing people to experience that. The Softeq Venture Studio just totally kickstarts our company. So it allows us to take this vision that we have, apply an immediate team of talented people in order to make an MVP, show investors what we can do and what the vision is, and make it real, make it happen. I think some of the most powerful startup ideas involve both a vision that involves design and user experience and kind of simplicity and wanting to change the world, but also really need a technical team in order to realize that vision and make it happen. And so Softeq is a great partner for kind of executing that blending, that marriage of cross-disciplinary team.